Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this, add this smooth zoom in animation on CapCut PC. You can do it in like keyframes, so like add in like a keyframe at the beginning of position and size and scale it in to zoom in like this. Or you can just go to effects and go to lens and add in zoom lens here, and you can also like adjust the speed of it. Okay, so that's very like fast, so if you want it to be slower, you're going to move it to the left, I guess. And you can also adjust like the range here, like how zoomed in you want it to be. That's like the easier version, but I guess like if you want it to go a little bit more smooth, I guess you can use the keyframes one, but those are the two options, I guess. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!